Welcome. If you want to install iOS launcher on your OnePlus Nord, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Tap on search pool and type here iOS launcher. We have to pick up application from the Lutin developer, launcher iOS 13, click install and just wait. Right now we can open it. Accept all of the permission, and right now you can swipe to enter the home screen. And right now we have to move for the settings, tap on the apps and notifications, click on the default apps, and here we have to select the home application and of course pick up the iOS launcher. Click on the OK, we got it, and right now it is loading all of our data. We can change, for example, this bottom bar, and that's how it looks on the OnePlus Nord. You can edit here also the widgets. Go back, and here we have to grant the permission for the calendar, so tap on the permissions, click on the allow on the phone and the calendar, and right now our widgets are working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.